Happy New Year, guys! Today we will open gifts. Part 2.
Part 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's open. Two dos from Tita Janine and Tito Rafi. Open it. Two uno from Tita Janine and Tito
Okay,
Rafi.
open it.
Open it
Just like this. Here apart.
Where should I open it?
I think. Who is it?
We got shoes! We got shoes. Thank you, Tita Janine and Tito Rafi.
Shoes, really? It is. Let's put the box back. It's for adults. That shoe.
Show inside, what's inside?
Okay.
Shoe.
Wow, I can show it to the camera.
We got some, what color is this?
Sandals.
We got sandals.
I said show it to the camera.
Shoes.
Show it to the camera. Do like this, Like this. We got shoes. Thank you,
Yeah, but
Tita
it's
Janine.
an adult.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Tita
Tita
Janine and
Janine
Tito
Rafi.
Rafi.
This is just only for adults. I can see it. It's big. It's adult.
It's a kid. It's a kid.
But why is it big? Now let's open. Oh, the spoon. Those.
Merry Christmas, Ate Uno from Tita Ankies.
Is this mine?
Yes. Two dos from Allison and Cassie.
I wonder what is inside.
Oh God, so minimal.
What is this? Toy? What is this? Wait, Nerf gun? It's Nerf gun.
Minnie Mouse shirt.
Nerf gun! I got a Nerf gun. Look. I got a Nerf gun. A Nerf gun. Look. It's a Nerf gun. I watched you Nerf earlier.
No, not earlier. It's last before.
Yeah, we watched Nerf. Nerf.
Thank you, Allison and Cassie, for giving
Nerf.
Rice and Nerf. And thank you, Tita
Arika,
Ankies,
get it out or
for
not?
giving me
Arika, get it
this.
out or not?
We will get it out later.
Nerf gun. I didn't had a Nerf gun before,
You did had.
but it was only one.
What's this doing?
And
Two dos from Ava and Andres.
this.
Open your gift.
Where's the bullets?
Just open your gift from Ava and Andres muna, and then we will open the gifts later.
Okay, open it
On the side.
on the side. Oh.
To Ate Uno from Allison and Cassie.
How can I? I don't know how.
Want me to help?
This Nerf gun. This Nerf gun.
Ate, I can see your...
I don't know how to.
This is a little bit heavy.
Alright, and it's torn open. What's that?
Catching ball.
Catching ball.
I think it's need to throw the ball and the. I think I have to put or throw the ball. I wonder.
What's this?
Man,
What is this?
I can hear it. I can hear it.
Oh, I think it's a beach clothes. Thank you.
I can hear it.
Oh no, I forgot.
Just say thank you.
Thank you. I forgot who gave this to me. And thank you, Avan Andes, for giving Ryzen this bead holder.
Bead
Ate,
holder.
you sit like this nga.
Which one is my other? My other one.
Covered, ate.
Where's my other one?
Ready now.
All uno.
License?
Two dos from Tita Angkis. Two una from Ate Joy.
Wait. License, sit beside ate. Nabablur ka. Then,
How can I open?
always sit beside ate.
You have to. Sorry. Oh no. Ah, I opened it. Oh, unsatisfying.
You have to tear it. Shirt.
It's a sleeping clothes, I think. Thank you, Tita Angkis,
Thank
for
you,
giving
Titi.
Ryzen
Then
this pajama.
just the more.
Kanina yan, malaki na yun ate sa'yo.
No, this is for Ryzen po.
Malaki.
This is from Tita
Yun
Angkis.
sa'yo.
Two uno from Ate Joy.
The shoe smells bad.
Don't say that.
I don't know why.
Thank you, Tita Joy, for this shorts po.
Is this still
Ate Joy.
Is this still is this still Ryzen
Here is
or DOS?
Ate Uno.
Here.
Ate Uno again. Where's DOS?
Is this
Two
DOS?
DOS. Two DOS from Ate Joy.
More Ate Joy.
License, sit beside ate. License,
Two Ate Uno from Andres and Ava.
How can I don't know how. I don't know how. I don't know how. It's more shirts.
Thank you, Ate Joy, for giving Ryzen this shirt po.
Even though they can't hear.
open na, dali.
From DOS.
Two DOS from Lola, Lolo, and Lola. Two Ate Uno from Alison and Cassie.
Why is it always Cass? Oh, because you can see it. How? Put it on your shirt. After I remove the tape. Unicorn? Painting
Thank you,
unicorn.
Alison and Cassie, for this scribbler.
Are we gonna share?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna share. Sharing.
Let's open the gift from Lola and Lolo.
I got share. What here?
Get this.
Only shirt?
Thank you, Lola and Lolo, for giving Ryzen this po.
It's a pants.
Shirt and pants. Sando.
Ryzen, sit beside ano. Ryzen, sit beside ate always.
I got share. The unicorn.
Yes, we will. One last gift. Stop looking.
You can I saw the paper in.
One last gift. 2-1 from Lola and Lolo.
I win. The wrappers are trash now.
Thank you, Lola and Lolo, for giving me this shirt with jumper po. Thank you for
Thank
watching.
you for watching.
Please hit
Please
the
hit the button.
the bell button
Bell
for
button
notifications
for notifications
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Peace.
Peace.